So over the past 28 days, one of my Facebook pages has made over $3,000 by simply sharing videos on Facebook. And today, I want to show you how you can also monetize your videos on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So it's been about a year since I posted my first video on YouTube talking about how you can monetize your videos on Facebook. Since then, I have received hundreds of comments and messages from people who have also made money on Facebook by sharing videos, and I have posted a ton of different videos sharing basically all the tips and information that I have learned over the past few months on how you can make money with Facebook. And I wanted to take this opportunity to create an updated video because I recently launched a brand new Facebook page over the past 30 days, which I'm going to be using basically to just give you guys more details on the process of getting monetized with Facebook or for Facebook ad breaks or Facebook instant articles. And I just wanted to take you on that journey on some of the things that you need to know in order to get monetized with Facebook. Now, one of my Facebook pages has been consistently making me over $100 per day by just simply sharing 1 or 2 videos per day. And as you upload more videos to that Facebook page and you get more videos approved for monetization, you start making a little bit more money every single week. So over the past 12 months, I've been able to make over $3,000 per month just posting a few videos per week to that Facebook page. And honestly, I find it a little bit easier to get monetized on Facebook than on YouTube, because with YouTube, it actually took me some time to get monetized because you got to get 1,000 subscribers. You have to get 4,000 hours of watch time. With Facebook, you can simply just pay for the likes and get 10,000 likes, which is what you need to get monetized with Facebook. But you also need 30,000 minutes of 1-minute views on your Facebook page in order to get monetized, which is really easy to do, especially if you're using Facebook ads to do that, which is one of the things that you can do to get monetized real fast. So what I'm planning to do is just give you an updated version of my last video from almost basically I would say a year ago to give you some tips on how you can get monetized as fast as possible. Some of my best tips, and hopefully you can use it to start your own Facebook page, get it monetized within 60 to 90 days, and hopefully you can start making some money by basically sharing videos on Facebook. Now I'm going to show you the process and some of the things that you got to keep in mind before you actually apply for monetization with Facebook. I'm going to jump in my computer and show you that in just a minute. But before we do that, just keep in mind that you can always download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It's a complete guide with over 40 pages that teaches you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing, with Facebook, with YouTube in many different ways. And I actually took the time to make sure that all the content and information in that guide, it was actually very valuable for someone who's brand new, who has never made any money online. So if that's you, if you're looking to make an extra $50, $100 per day with affiliate marketing, if you want to download it, it's completely free. You can click the link in the description below. Now let's talk about the requirements to get monetized for your Facebook page, some of the things that you need to know before you even think about creating a Facebook page. And if you already have a Facebook page and you haven't been able to get monetized, it's perhaps because of the reasons that I'm about to show you. Alright guys, so this is the page where you can see whether or not you can qualify for ad breaks. And right now I have my newest Facebook page that I recently created. And as you can see, I'm about 45% to 10,000 followers. I need 10,000 followers or 10,000 likes in order to get qualified for monetization. I also need 1-minute views for 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. So I need about 30,000 1-minute views, which is not difficult to do. I'm gonna explain to you later in this video how you can do that easily in just a matter of 15 days or 20 days if you want to do that. Now the other thing is the partner monetization policies, whether or not the content being posted in that specific page qualifies for monetization. In this case, the only reason why it's saying that it's not qualifying is because the page is less than 30 days old. So once this page has 60 days or 90 days, it's gonna turn green and I'll be allowed to get monetized. So I'm gonna put a link for this page in the description of this video so you can go and check your page. And keep in mind that you need to be logged in into your Facebook account in order to see whether your Facebook pages qualify for ad breaks or not. Now the other key thing that you need to keep in mind is whether or not Facebook ad breaks is available in your country and whether or not it's available in your language. So this page on AdBreaks will break down exactly. I'm going to put a link to this one as well, which countries are allowed for monetization. So if you don't see your country here, that means you can't monetize your videos on Facebook yet, mainly because they need to add that country. Now, if you want to check out exactly what type of content they allow for monetization, you can always click here and it'll take you for a page where it has, you know, all the policies and all the things that you need to know on the type of content that they allow for monetization. But the best tip that I can give you to know whether or not you can monetize specific type of content is go on Facebook and search for a Facebook page similar to yours or the one that you want to create, and see the biggest ones that you can find that has over 100,000 likes, and just see whether or not the videos that they are posting on their Facebook page are monetized or not. In most cases, you'll see that the videos are monetized, so that means you will have no problem monetizing your page in that niche. Because trust me, most likely whatever page you want to create or whatever page you want to monetize, there's already someone on Facebook with a bigger page that's already monetized. So you can go on Facebook and you can look for similar pages to your niche and see, you know, what type of monetization do they have. Do they have Facebook ad breaks, or do they have instant articles, or they're doing something else? So be sure to check all of these, because this is going to give you, you know, all the details that you need to know in order to get monetized with Facebook. All right, so now that you know the requirements in order to get approved for Facebook ad breaks, let's talk about how to get there. The first thing you're going to need is 10,000 likes on your Facebook page. Now, I posted this video a few days ago that talked about how you can actually get 10,000 likes extremely fast using Facebook ads. You can go and watch that video in the description below, but basically this is the easiest ways to get to 10,000 likes. You might need to invest maybe, you know, $50, $100, perhaps a little bit more, depending on your niche and where you're getting your likes from, but it's totally worth it because you can do it in the first 30 days. You need to wait 6 months or 12 months to get to 10,000 likes. This is the big difference between Facebook and YouTube, because with YouTube you have to do it organically, or you have to pay for YouTube ads, and that's not even guaranteeing that you're gonna get subscribers by doing that. With Facebook, you can pay for likes, meaning that you can set up ads specifically to get likes to your brand new Facebook page. And this is what I'm doing right now with my brand new Facebook page. I'm trying to grow it to 10,000 likes as fast as I can. Now, once you have 10,000 likes, your next step is to get 30,000 1-minute views from 3-minute videos. That basically means that you have to upload a few videos that are at least 3 minutes long. Now, again, this is also not complicated to do, because you can use Facebook ads to boost your videos and get more views. Believe it or not, that's allowed. You're not breaking any rules, because in the end, the only thing that you're doing is you're spending money with Facebook, and that's exactly what they want. So if you have 10,000 likes but you don't have 30,000 minutes of watch time with your videos, then all you have to do is, once you get to that point, just keep uploading videos, perhaps 1 or 2 videos per day. That's enough. And just upload your videos to a point where, you know, you're getting decent amount of views every single day. Now, if you need a boost, I would suggest just pick your most popular video for that week or for that month, and then boost that video with 50, 100 bucks to get as many views as you can. And that video is gonna get organic views every single day, because, you know, the more people that watch that video, if the video is good, people will share that video, and that's going to bring you organic views to your video, which is going to help you reach that 30,000 minute mark. Now, when it comes to how much money you can make for every 1,000 views, it's all about the location of your views. So that means if you get lots of views from people in the US, your CPM might be a little bit higher, meaning that so you might be able to get more money for less views. So here's a power tip. This is something that you can do if you want to ensure that you get a higher CPM. You might need to get, you know, maybe 25 or 50% of your audience needs to be from the US. That's going to help you ensure that you get a consistent high CPM, meaning that when you post videos, at least, you know, 50% of the people who are watching that video are going to be from the US, which is going to help you make a little bit more money. And so one of the things that you can do to ensure that you get a higher CPM is, once you find a really nice viral video that's getting a lot of views, a lot of shares and likes, what you can do is boost that post using Facebook ads to people only in the US or Canada or tier 1 countries where you know that's going to boost your CPM. You're going to get more views, and when they watch one of your videos, Facebook will automatically suggest another one of your videos because that's simply how it works. So the more views you send to one video, the more views you're going to get to your other videos organically. So basically you're paying for views on one video, but you're getting organic views on the other one because Facebook will be suggesting those videos to those people. Now, when it comes to payment, you basically get your payments between the 18th to the 21st of each month, and you need to make at least $100 in order to cash out your payment with Facebook. So they're going to deposit that amount in your bank account between the 18th to the 21st. Sometimes it might be a little bit later, sometimes it might take a few days more depending on where you live, you know, what type of bank account you have. So what I found is if you want a video to go viral, you might put something like a text on top of the video to help the video go viral, and something as simple as adding a text or a line of text on top of a video, that might be enough to make it unique. So guys, there's a lot of success stories when it comes to Facebook ad breaks. So guys, does Facebook ad breaks works to make money? Yes, it does. In fact, I've talked to many people who have been able to make a full-time income with Facebook ad breaks, and I have highlighted some of their stories on my videos, and you can see one of those videos right here. Basically, they've been able to make thousands of dollars per month doing this just by uploading 1 or 2 videos per day. So yes, there's people making good money with Facebook ad breaks, but you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. You must be diversifying. The best way to make money with Facebook is diversifying as much as you can, with making money with Facebook ad breaks, but also instant articles, and also for affiliate marketing, which is my preferred way of making money. And affiliate marketing is my preferred way to make money, mainly because you're not simply depending on Facebook or YouTube. So with that in mind, what I want you to do is, if you enjoy this video, if you find value in this video, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. And if you find value in this video, just share it with other people so they can also monetize their Facebook pages and Facebook videos and make some extra cash. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.